Acura MDX. Okay, turn it upside down. It's not hard. First, remove this air conditioning. Well, just pry it off. It's all clipped. Then, for screws. Then pry both sides. Pry this one loose first. Pry it down directly.
Pull it down to the outside.
Yes. It's the same here.
Yes.
Look, there are 2 screws.
Unscrew them and take it out. Or screws.
Okay, good.
Then remove the 2 screws inside.
Inside here. 2 screws are inside here. One on the left, one on
Right.
this one on the left. 5031. Pull the host out. There's a wire here.
There is a wire here. Pull it out!
There's more on top. Okay. This line. Video cable. Okay. Connect it. Power cord. Look at this Oppo S.
The original car's big plug.
Look at the yes.
The male head is plugged into the host.
The original. This plug is plugged into our female.
This one on the neck. Put the main unit back. Then put this inside. Just put it inside, and that's it. And then restore it all.